Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Today's topic is going to be on the journey of being an apprentice. The journey of being an apprentice can be hard at first, but I promise you with hard work and the will to succeed, it will get better. Apprentices, some may take it for granted, but with the help of your licensed electrician, also known as journeyman, life is a lot easier for you to succeed and one day become a journeyman electrician and have your own apprentice. An apprentice is expected to know on the first day a little knowledge of the electrical trade. But if you don't know, don't worry. Your journeyman electrician is there to make sure that the knowledge that was passed down to them will be passed down to you also. And to make sure that at the end of the day, you walk off the job and go home. I know that some days you might think that you are not learning anything, but in reality, you can learn a lot from watching your journeyman electrician and return the knowledge to be able to carry out simple tasks when you are asked to do so. Be aware of your surroundings and always be alert. When working, have a positive attitude towards your career and you will succeed. We as journeymen all started like you, and we all give it our hardest. Me personally speaking, from experience, I work with some of the best. My training along with my N class was great. I paid attention to every little detail. I watched my journeyman and I also asked a lot of questions. Some people will say it's not good to ask too many questions. But for me, it was about learning and to one day have my license, and that I did. Was it easy? No, not always. But I kept a very positive attitude, knowing what my goals were, and I saw it and never gave up. So to all of you who want to become an apprentice, don't give up on your dreams. And who knows, one day you can become a business owner and be as successful as I am and be able to teach, not for the money, but for the love of the career. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video.